This video, I'm going to show you how to play music from YouTube to your Discord. So first, you need to go to any browser or search engine that you want. You have to search for Discord Pancake bot and click the first link that will pop up. Then you have to go ahead and click invite bot. After clicking the invite bot, you can now go ahead and choose an account. Log into your Discord account. All you need to do is to select a server to the logged in account. Let's go. And then this are the roles that the Pancake bot could manage to your Discord, authorize. Then you have to go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA. After completing the CAPTCHA, CakeBot would be now invited to your channel. We'll open our server. As you can see, Pancake is already added to our server. So now, all you need to do is to type in the command. So first things first, you need, of course, to join any voice channel. Okay. After that, play this. And let's go copy the link. After copying the link, that's it. The Pancake would now go ahead and start playing this music.